Hi friends, today we'll see unboxing of Bosch dishwasher. This I bought from Flipkart sale 2 days back. Very fast delivery. Initially I had no clue from where to open the box. Then finally we saw a gap between all four faces. It is showing made in Taiwan. After this again we had no clue from where to open the box. Then suddenly we felt okay, box became loose and we took out the box. This is the front face. Slightly golden, total metallic. Back side we can see the pipe for inlet outlet of water with power supply. Front side all types of settings are there. Start, stop and what options we want have and display, LED display. So after opening we got one finish sample piece. It's having tablet and shiner. This is a filter, water filter. This is just a pictorial instruction how to put the utensils in the washer. You can see leaflet. This is the user manual. This is the tray. There one more pipe is there. I think it will be for drain or maybe for water supply. Here's the bucket. Plastic bucket type setting. I think it will be for knives and spoons. This is the upper tray. This is the inside of this washer. Here we have to put salt. This is the turbine from where I think the water will come. Two turbines are there. One is below and one is in upper tray, below the upper tray. This is the shiner inlet. So while installation, I'll show the working. This video is just for the unboxing. Very shortly I will upload the installation and how to use this as soon as the company guy come.